guys so much. If you are a returning subscriber, I open up my heart and I embrace you. Thank you so much. If you are a new subby, thank you so much for stopping here. Please do me a favor, click that red button, subscribe, share the video, and also if you really love me, the only way you can pay me back is not to skip the ads, so I can make a little bit of token, right? Especially for this summer. So let's jump right in the video. So today we're talking about fenugreek, fenugreek seed, fenugreek tea, fenugreek skincare. Today I am focusing mostly on fenugreek tea. So this is the tea. So before you really see what is inside this cup, I want to share with you the awesome benefits of fenugreek tea, which a lot of people, if you are an African descendant, it's not very popular in our country. It is a spice that is mostly consumed in India, and it is packed with a whole lot of health benefits. So I will share with you guys some of the health benefits of fenugreek tea. So one of the most amazing things that you need to know about fenugreek tea is that fenugreek tea curbs your appetite. So when you drink fenugreek tea, get ready not to eat so much, so it suppresses your appetite. The next one about fenugreek tea is, so fenugreek tea helps to balance your insulin, so it lowers blood sugar if you have if you have lots of sugar, in the sense of talking about insulin and diabetes. It will help to lower your blood sugar. The next thing you need to know about fenugreek tea is that it helps lower menstrual pain. So if you have lots of menstrual pain and cramps, and when you're seeing your period, try to consume a cup of fenugreek tea on a daily basis. The next thing you need to know about fenugreek tea is fenugreek tea also helps to increase your libido. So if you're one of those people who does not have, you don't feel the sense of intimacy with your significant other, fenugreek tea will help to increase the moment. Yes. So the next thing you need to know about fenugreek tea, because fenugreek tea really suppresses your appetite, it really also helps to shrink the fats in your system. So it really helps you to lose weight. Isn't that amazing? Who doesn't want to lose weight in this summer time? So let's get over to number 6. Why? So fenugreek tea will also help to alleviate a fever. If you have fever, you can get into drinking fenugreek tea. It will help to lower your body temperature. The next reason why you really need to drink fenugreek tea is because it also help to reduce blood pressure. If you have blood pressure, embrace fenugreek tea. The next one is that it really helps to control your cholesterol. So if you're battling with cholesterol, get into drinking fenugreek tea. The next awesome benefit of fenugreek tea is, if you are a new mom, it helps to increase the hormones that is responsible for excretion and production of extra milk to help you feed your newborn baby. So embrace your fenugreek tea. The next benefit of fenugreek tea is, so fenugreek tea also will help to fight infection. If you have any infection in any part of your body, fenugreek tea will do the job. Fenugreek tea is also an anti-inflammatory. Let me tell you, this fenugreek tea has 1001 things and more reasons why you need to start drinking your fenugreek tea. Now let me share with you how to make fenugreek tea. So you have your option of buying fenugreek tea like the regular tea that comes in tea bag, or you can buy the fenugreek seed. That's what it looks like. I use them as a skin mask and things like that. But like I said, today we are only talking about consuming fenugreek tea. So I have this seed here and it's very inexpensive. So in this cup here, I have 1 teaspoon of fenugreek in here, fenugreek seed. I have 1 teaspoon of fenugreek tea here. I already put it in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then when it infuses into the water, it changes the color to yellow. You don't need to add anything. This is how I drink my own fenugreek tea. I don't need any lemon, any lime, any honey. I just drink it the way it is. So guys, with all these super amazing benefits of fenugreek tea, I urge you, I encourage you, if you have any of the things that I listed above, go ahead and start consuming your own fenugreek tea. It is very inexpensive. I will leave you guys the link to Amazon where you can purchase your own fenugreek. So guys, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye.